30 ways to get views on your YouTube video. Welcome to our channel. 1. Choose a niche. To get more views and subscribers as quickly as possible, you need to select a niche that you can focus on. A niche is a specific topic or theme that you can specialize in. 2. Research YouTube trends. Research trends on YouTube to see what's popular. To become successful, you need to create content that is currently popular and trending. 3. Optimize your video titles. Your title is one of the most important elements of your video. Make sure your titles are interesting and optimized for SEO. 4. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails are like book covers. They're the first thing people see and they can make or break your video. Make sure your thumbnails are eye-catching and compel people to click. 5. Make quality videos. Quality matters. People are more likely to watch videos that look professional and have good sound quality. Invest in decent video and audio equipment. 6. Utilize keywords. Research and use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Doing this will help your videos appear in search results. 7. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers is a great way to get more views and subscribers. Find someone who has a similar audience and create content together. 8. Use end screens and cards. End screens and cards are a great way to direct people to other videos or your channel. Use these to increase views on your other videos. 9. Include a call to action. Include a call to action in your videos. Ask people to like and subscribe to your channel so they can get notified of new videos. 10. Promote your videos. Use social media, email, and other methods to promote your videos. The more people that see them, the more views you'll get. 11. Create playlists. Create playlists of your videos so viewers can watch multiple videos in one sitting. This will increase watch time and keep people on your channel. 12. Engage with your audience. Engage with your audience in the comments section. Respond to comments and answer questions. This will help you build a loyal fan base. 13. Be consistent. Post videos regularly and stick to your schedule. This will help you build a loyal audience that looks forward to your new videos. 14. Upload longer videos. Research has shown that longer videos tend to get more views. If you can, try to make your videos at least 10 minutes long. 15. Run contests and giveaways. Run contests and giveaways to increase engagement and get more subscribers. 16. Use annotations. Annotations are pop-up notes that appear when people watch your videos. Use them to point people to other videos or your channel. 17. Post videos on other platforms. Post your videos on other platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. This will help you reach a wider audience. 18. Leverage social proof. Use social proof to increase engagement. This is when you show people that others have already taken the desired action, e.g. liked or shared your video. 19. Leverage influencers. Leverage influencers to promote your videos. Reach out to influencers with large followings and ask them to promote your videos. 20. Use paid advertising. Use paid advertising to get more views. You can use platforms such as YouTube ads, Google AdWords, and Facebook ads. 21. Leverage SEO. SEO is an important part of getting more views. Optimize your videos for SEO by using the right keywords and tags. 22. Create a website. Create a website for your channel. This will help you build a brand and drive more traffic to your channel. 23. Leverage email marketing. Use email marketing to promote your videos. Ask people to subscribe to your mailing list and send out emails when you upload new videos. 24. Leverage cross-promotion. Cross-promote your videos on other channels and websites. This will help you reach a wider audience. 25. Create behind-the-scenes videos. Create behind-the-scenes videos to give people a sneak peek of what's going on. This will help you build a connection with your audience. 26. Run a paid promotion campaign. Run a paid promotion campaign to get more views. You can use platforms such as Google AdWords and YouTube ads. 27. Leverage hashtags. Use relevant hashtags to get more views. This will help your videos appear in searches and get more attention. 28. Leverage live streaming. Use live streaming to engage with your audience and get more views. Platforms such as YouTube Live and Facebook Live are great for this. 29. Use quality editing software. Invest in quality editing software to make your videos look more professional. This will help you stand out from the crowd. 30. Share your videos. Share your videos with friends, family, and coworkers. This is a great way to get more views and subscribers.